Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show and hide visuals using Power BI bookmarks and buttons. This is an incredibly useful feature for creating interactive dashboards where you can toggle between different views without cluttering your screen. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see various tabs. Click on Insert to access the tools you'll need for this tutorial. Within the Insert menu, locate and click on Buttons. A drop-down will appear with several button options, but for this tutorial, select Blank. This gives you a clean slate to customize your button exactly how you want it. After inserting the blank button, shift your focus to the right side of your screen where you'll see the Format button panel. This is where all the customization magic happens. Click on Style to expand the styling options. Here you'll want to turn on the text option. Once enabled, input a text label like Show into the text field. This label tells users what the button does at a glance. Next, while still in the style settings, turn on the Fill option and choose a color for your Show button. Pick something that stands out and aligns with your dashboard's color scheme. Now that your first button is ready, it's time to create a matching Hide button. Duplicate the Show button by copying and pasting it. Adjust the duplicated button's text to hide and change its fill color to differentiate it from the Show button. This visual distinction helps users understand the button's function immediately. Now navigate to the top menu again and click on View. From here, select both Selections and Bookmarks. These two panes will appear on your screen and are essential for managing visibility states. In the Bookmarks pane, click Add to create a new bookmark, then rename it to Show. Repeat this process by clicking Add again and renaming the second bookmark to Hide. These bookmarks will store the different visibility states of your visuals. With your bookmarks created, click on the Hide bookmark in the Bookmarks pane. Now switch over to the Selections pane where you'll see an eye icon next to each visual and button. Click the eye icon to hide both the chart you want to toggle and the Hide button itself. This sets up the hidden state. To save this configuration, go back to the Bookmarks pane, find the Hide bookmark, click the three dots next to it, and select Update. This locks in the current visibility state for the Hide bookmark. Now it's time to link your buttons to these bookmarks. Click on the Hide button you created earlier. In the Format button panel on the right, click on Action and turn it on. Click the drop-down menu under Type and select Bookmark. Then click the drop-down menu under Bookmark and choose Hide. This tells the button to activate the Hide bookmark when clicked. Repeat this process for the Show button. Click on the Show button, then in the Format button panel, turn on Action. Click the drop-down under Type and select Bookmark. Then click the Bookmark drop-down and choose Show. This completes the connection, allowing users to toggle between showing and hiding visuals with a simple button click. And that's it. You've successfully set up interactive bookmarks and buttons in Power BI that let you show and hide visuals on demand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.